Stainless steel casting pipe connector plays a very important role in setting up toilet partitions. Our pipe connector is made from solid 304 or 316 stainless steel by casting process. Molten steel above 1000 degree is manufactured by wax loss casting process. The connector can provide greater load-bearing capacity and more durability. It fits tube diameter for 25 mm. We can also customize size as per your request. Very easy installation even for beginners, no welding, just use an Allen key to fix with pipes. We can also provide a set of toilet partition fittings for your choice. Welcome to contact us.